shema afoforo obo modern ahye no obi benya bibi afiri mu a ode bebo ne bra na ama obra no so obo na eyiyi a ebi account todana wonu obi di nkomo na woka se obra kwantu yekono enye ankra keke na emom uhia aboafo so kanwa ebi a nipa no dwen se entesa se wuyiye na obi su yeyi a menya sure se obi de isan bo ne beba be den abesam nti obra no yebo a ehwebe nkum eni nifa na yinyina ya boa ye ho na amadwumadi no aye den akoso kama nti odofo bomodi a na tami kuchu na ehwedwumadi no emaye misamu akwa ababiem eba FPN TV so na me ka che onso se bomodi a na subscribe oko yen YouTube na obo FPN TV ewo YouTube o the official account won sabe kan sanso na woko Facebook bo FPN TV o the official account still won sa ebe kan na wanya adwumadi live ewo ehonom na wabomodin adi achi sede etie no esan sanya me nko a na medi dwumadi no na mihia meboafo a obeka me ho amadwumadi no akoka manti me opening senya ewa hano amene no eba be digima anti papa me chia obio
yeah
me didi se oho ye
abajadu
ya da oba di ase papa enyumre said ye da ye no obra kwantu akwantu a obi ahia so onya suahunu ansana onya suahunu na ama obra no ayeden akoso yi enti enyumre ye hia se ye ba behwe the last time I meet here no na ye hwe ye ba ye na setena mu ye dwumadi mu a ye hia obi ahia se o hwe ni suban bi ni ye bi attitude bi a ewo adwuma mu ewo efie entutu ye mu na ye hwe ye buboso a ma ye ne atiefo eche ma ye hu se obi wonu a wo adwuma mu mpo no oye boss anase oye worker but ni suban bi obi da na di na echi na bi no onye obi ne nyeden enye adwuma ye pesi ye wie kura na ye di no ma ba kumienu na no ye hwe nso no wo ma ye hu negative attitude a kill ye I was ye boy ho so asamba akwa o kan ye say attitude ya dia ye hu adwuma we work on it whether positive or negative we work on it nti ene ye ba beto aso ni ahu de was ye work on it any de was ye den ye jai to wono na etimi aboama ye na obra kontu a ye tu wi ase ye betimi atuni ye nti papa ehina woni yen ebefa
when ese anyume me dawasi na mafa ko yesu achia tifo na hwefo nyina se omutie na omuso yede ehwe ena yewi ye last 2 weeks na ye say attitude is everything attitude is everything I don't want to question isu bibia isu ye bibia ye bobo no makakra na kakra ye ka ho no kakra ye ka ho no ni edika ne ye self discipline araba ye boy se obetimi ahwie ne bo hwie ne ya uhia entity self discipline no ye wo mumiru ye wo moral discipline and ye wo financial discipline moral discipline and financial discipline ye ka moral discipline e do so pa so obetimi abobra no akọ animu na udin papa betumi agya asase so this is moral we discipline. This is moral we discipline in the sense say first one you go obohunu wa dress ni de wa dress kama moral ni yaka wasemi o wa dress kama uhunu us we there ababa wani abrantie ni nanso ne action ibine ne kasa ebe free na numu ayre atofom no moral bo say o say ababa we dey say yantete no abrantie we dey yere yantete no and the self discipline no moral no kasa ka ho kasa ye wadi bo na eyabufu pa enso enam say what discipline wunti obohu enwaya o de beba ni pakora e ma e bia so bie beba na moral discipline ba ko ne say o ye bema ana oba na moral unye discipline wenu ya ha
okay
wenu ya ha eno na etimi ba say bo crash ni panka o sua de ekonani na bo say yes woni akura kuto bi akoda
okay
moral no
onye discipline
ontimi share no so discipline ni na ya amhyeso
okay
ni twi no wo to fa amhyeso bo say ade obidi we eyabufu pa enso wo ye moral discipline ti no a share no so enti self discipline no enya ntalishe eye o dress we no be we nature good
okay
neso the inner the woman no eno ye discipline e do ko animu pa self discipline ka wasa no de me kan so obedi madanse a un say obu on ma o say we come on manamon pa
decency
wo this is it one here o kutesika 100 billion na o body man say o ma to ma
okay
neso ni doing ni ne yo no say o this adema na afanise onye discipline
okay
if o yes o de ni pakwa o yene sa no o tonwa wani mo nyam nyina ayre apa o bro no so adwumam nti nipa o pese o babra bona o ko nipa ese moral o ye discipline o say especially oba onye moral discipline there na so arebo jija ko basa jija no say basa ana be man so o ye moral discipline o no be we sit rough so de ka wa say
Matias e ba
o bo ma o nia he so ba do be fara kwa mu bia sa akura se panyini
o de ne be ko
o ba ko be sa na o ti oni mo nyam so to be self discipline na buhu
okay
buhu te ba sa na bo se do be show bia o bu ere
ema
o bu ma it me sikura se obi enam se o ye self discipline nti obi kan ho asem boni bi kura na ko abrante we de o boa
ontimi nyesa
abrante we me na tambo no so e ko mfie be se enum sa de o kan say mas e ba sa onye obi ma na e support na onye moral discipline o hwe no ma bebre o ba edma mo ni nka moral woni nka ana discipline ba ko so yes aka mo financially o ba so bobla ko ni mo financially so ye financially discipline
okay
ye woni pe go on mo wonya financial discipline in the sense sika bi o ba ne sam bi so man
okay
so we say enso we am dey we enso see especially so your ba oba woni financial discipline ko wana o kunchu ba ko krama Skebia money bia and so do
they
it's a say we are manageable.
Okay.
So we are financial discipline. Could we be overlook
value? Okay.
With me the baby. Money ere. Inti abrabo ye boy. O pese o ko nimpa. De bi ambika ka say bo ha ya una to see so. Inti so anya financial discipline kra na. O hwiase.
Eno makuye ma.
No makuye ma no. Na we abrabo country ye ka ma o ye average. Na we o say below average. O mo asem na ye re. Ye ka na ye di. Wow, starting from grassroots, no. She said we have financial discipline. Whatever money I don't want to be on. She said we make use of it properly. Yes, say we use it anyhow. Yes, say why in your financial discipline? Break. Okay. Break. Break because the piano also really extra into procrastination. Or we me yakese. Me say no me yakese so nyamai. Into kotona bana we discipline all the best at bibi arof omo makoko ko ni mu no e bobo business open for ya omo come life history say wa omo starting go to bio na so omo ye financial discipline nti o de sa na what me am build no na oko e ba chose what you say ba ti enya moral discipline and financial discipline me kai say get to be last 2 weeks you share na comment bi ba no papa be kind okay laziness or the buy you know no free bi kakra abrabo no wo da kwaduro ba mu a enwi no ba kachi sisi ni be wo da kwaduro ba mu a ba kachi ni even if say ya brato hokara na wo da kwaduro ba mu a the operator ho ni wa okay bibia be say ti say you be aware o pebre laziness
na on say eno so ya dia wo yenso ohun sa laziness me so bi ya ohun this will be o tie chiri na be hu say ade na wo ye no akwadusem na wo ye e be ya ho simple na e mo ka chiri on say ade achi bia no na yino ade achi bia na yino de otumi me ka say first say me ana me to be peja mama be ne no
me first na me kwa na me okay e say ne peja ya
wa bre
enyini ye ko 60s oh enti say sabre ya o ye youth so ye oba so ye be ma anode no wo no bible say ka wo for 90 brem enye se o do ho ma Kristo nko na wo ka ma se mo comprise hunam fam ene hunam fam na sabre o mo de ye bibi okay ya kwadiro fi ho ye bibi o de amonfo chile o mo ji o mani a wo de ja o mo chile na ebepem o se enam se o nya kwadiro no watoto no maye no se o start se also in the moderate way now. Last week, you know, me TikTok, okay, social media, Futubiana, Abraham TV name. Was it, Boa, or you can buy someone? Oh, no, I was spending. I got now, baby, I hope, come on. Nadia, Kakre, be banned in several 1 year quadron. We are financial literate now, 1 year quadron. What is I baby? I walk time. I will be my koto. I'm was a better number. What happened to it is Sabri. Put out as I was making. Wow, the sunshine shines. This Sabrina, a Java, you sell no. To see it, to gentle. So, for example, do on my why cheaper education make us say, is it graduate? HND put it, say education wise, HND say another form. They say a certificate degree. Degree. Unya no be anye. Unya no be anye. Was it post? Me train post. Now, what's me train post? Now 4 years aba. Unya
aba fufraba
na aba fufraba what is hana is not almost 8 years and so we used to know what say man say we degree kra na what say 26 27 kra I say okay ka 30 something
yeah
e bla won pay duma bia anye because wo pay abai duma bia anye
ai
debi pay bibie
neze ohwa sa white collar jobs ya da bia obi ko school a o twen se ne nsa be kana eno so ye ade a procrastinate time because one ko school
o pay
white collar job
office work
yes office work aye enti onya ye no instead of say e bia obi meki na wa hwehwe e bia immediate job bia ne nsa be ko na no ana say obetimi dia meki bibi kakra no nipa no o
pay
Bisana.
Or any degree no, or any position no. Okay, in academia side. Now, or quiet said no, we are no. What was I? I ran TV ness.
Okay.
TV or we were here the same way. Mamma by say, or say, future watching be credit online, being
okay.
No, so many problem. Oh, you be. I know you try to try. See, we are top plots.
Wow.
You put in post no,
and
so a top plot.
Wow.
It's the initiative. Nay, a yap generate a twin chain. So, what I said, indeed, the person of a jolly with the baby beer, essay, with the bucket is the summa. It was so quite for that engine. So one couple negative beyond farmer will be so one contact and say quite a form and the quite a day and then you the Bible and you cry.
Yeah, I'll quite jolly what the Bible and you cry and a papa can or my own say I quite draw a thief of time. One say I quite draw the more way I quite draw now procrastinate. Who to know be share, who to know be share, who to share kono na say mfie na so na wo twa ye den egu nti abranti a wo share yen wo FPN eso wo Facebook and also wo YouTube enwumre wo hu say attitude a ye kan ho asem in our businesses in our daily activities no ye person what you say these are some of the things say who make sure say who one kasa wo hwe ni ya Abrabono, you will not be solely dependent on governments or some parents and I say or relatives say oh baby then aye but with a little now we and kakran bedru baby a wo benya adwuma no na ho bibi kakran so ye den e wo ho no enti enwumre bra wo hwe FPN TV or bra kwanto yi but modern say obe join the feed no na afi so we comment eba ma ye hu so wadwe nkyere ebi a wo so nsusu ye bi a obetimi dia kan ye de na nyina ye bomodi asua knowledge is meant to be shared say unya nimdie bi na say wo ye wadwe say wo nko an do be kwa obi akura hu say wonim say nimdie na say be wo say nyansa unless you bring it out. We are waiting for your comments on the comment section, both YouTube and then Facebook. Okay, Papa. Mema Kwaima, what's at also am I?
Very good. Yeah, we said the boss na your bono positive side, near kind of negative side. Okay. Na yeah, pie what say ka over positive side no. Say financial discipline kind. Kakra bia bon se bia. Nka wutie na kwa start say wo dey be aye. And I say adwuma bia kakra bia wonya bia no. Start so obey. Now, oh yeah, no. A better to see you cry. Ama when ya the greater one to do.
Okay.
Anna, Apajoso, yes, so say we if you and when you how and no doubt. About then baby breeze parent no and our no it's me be the job. Aquadrity. Excuse me, na. Everyone, I say, according after the toss be real adaptability. As I say, with me, I doctor in any situation. I don't say we are serious. Only obia we subject to change pada.
You can only cope with the system. Okay.
Pa. Because at first say person occupy the hotel anywhere. Is okoro.
Yeah.
Na was su what take you measure and then sister number. What's your picture man?
Na echo.
Na wakam dey blow. They just be so we have them to change first we are adwuma obi abata de o twɛn ma nipa kwana ba bɛyɛ ɛnɛ moto ana abayi o pɛ mi ya na o de ama o yɛ promise ɛbra delivery very good eti bibia simple ɛsɛ sɛ we adapt wa nyɛ ne saa enye
yi okay
nti omo a we into fashion bia what do you call it ade pam ne or ne mom yi training say one to the changes of the system now oh
there be a
we catch tete star na it's a say we are very a designer. Okay. Let me put it that way. Which system be able to
we adapt to that. We change your home. Buwa was already we stand baby ojina na di onima
what the kwa walim na awalim na sa no sa change na ba walim they change say bia umu ana umu yire ne da positive one atwam especially a member sa in marriage member na ta komo so I say bema na bia me bibi like a marriage man. Let me put it that way. Marriage man.
Okay.
Opa, me can't show that. No matter say. We bema me can't show that. E wo social media you say no matter day. Assistant. Boa here. Boa
here somewhere.
No so boa.
Kaka.
Wo ko brief na o mai. Aduane wo bisa do meet my no. O mra no ayo wie. Enti wa ho ofeso enya o hwe. Nyese be ma na menu aduane.
Ndio. Wo na ataka.
Enye wo yesa emwa. Yes, we have adaptability in all situations. And secondly,
okay.
More honey biana new a biaba. Yes, yes, be teachable.
Okay.
One of the old system. Oh, they are, and it was also bad.
Yeah.
And so, you had the new one, but I had the fastest. I said, Usian. And the two old one. So,
as my okay, I came heady or see, or no, on the immediate computer system, media minimum. It's on or patro, and Trona, BB person, church. And almost computer, BBI is simple. For example, you say BB the spreadsheet. Who you see and one say you will not go, oh boy, and then we calculating 10 within few minutes. No, I then when we but only was it Debbie, made a time no money they mean or person depend then actually be to adapt it on you or person actually be
say we are current.
Okay.
Now with my answer, this is a way teacher. Why have you self being chirp? Okay. Was yes, will be the man who beach there. And the question of the yeah, we must now, more 10 years. I don't know, no son. And this is why you know what you say. Current trend, yes, if you are bad side now, for the better side, one there's a why our doctor to her. Obakachi,
no crap,
the question of Obakachi, no crap. We are the two system of Obakachi. So, and I say a time will come on. Obi anko ye advert crowd already so be. Well, as we make market.
And one work.
Obi anko no. Open no man buy what chat to the TikTok, Facebook, YouTube, the WhatsApp, or the amount for both amount for tourists. That is the system you are in now. And as I say,
digitalization, we are moving towards that. One adapt a time will come. Wouldn't be a pan, but because said the work and one year teachable, won't me adapt to current situations. When we are not, why would be up where I said would be here then as sabotage. But now, one of one man who quite
said, you know, the Dabena who will be up against studios who could picture. And he said, your progress be a HH baby, and that's be a occasion be now the face because the face. Uswa ono manyina namoko ugucha
enya anniversary said you can enya anniversary obi an shida
on phone otwa say nanu nya fese bi kura na wa de tire kama ai wa yere kama no wa print na de wa print kama odi wo yo bi a we photographer wo sister dey say obi ba picture picture. Oh, system.
Okay.
Who seems to be the who the current change now? Now, who follow? Babusune as a adaptation, like if you are a fashion designer, if you are a hairdresser. As I said, the piano and not the open appearance. So come
appearance come okay
appearance so we was be the me life me impel oboa say sa sata wa pare dia o ye design dia e so open life
okay
because obu ho kra na onim po so we tell me o sha tare na show no sa sister eta de share pa efo they only just here we tell me o we in this style or hairdresser. But what you say? Oh, yes, let's say, Uncle Bobby, and Bayamano, who said that about I would see the effect. Was Mia, oh, very good. Okay. Indeed, as I said, we are Baba. Nina, Tingy says, Eba. And then a machine, your program, Yama offer. Now, would be young, and then H.
There were chargeable batteries.
You were so young. It's good old DNA, breed name, and in a tree will be made up. I'm
as the working no crepa, the limit say, or on the shop work, baby, and I will be a limit. I'm a pay. Intimate go baby, into almost onim senti. I hear so 2 weeks time no afraid. Me am a Merafiana.
Good.
Only coming no man no aba. Oba no baby. Anytime you are no where free be sound, within a fool. I adapted to change his ever. Okay.
So, and she say, Ogo Duma. Ogo Duma, and then I'm out for Vine. Vine now, only eat only now.
Okay.
Only eat Vine.
Wow.
So, wow. Okay, it's restaurants. Okay, stock a seat and will be a restaurant. Will be a bit of rum.
Okay.
No, I didn't know. Oh, I'll bend across store. And he said, oh, dear, I said, why, we see. What you going? Oh, you deliver. We see what it changes media a great role in life. Okay. And they just be born my way easily giving in. Easily. Oh, Bobla, now it's hard in the bomber. Oh, going.
Okay.
Takrib na mabu. Takrib na mabu. Me started business. Me started kakra me nya kakra happen e kuta nsem. Me ko swami. Me feel na nante ko swami. Me tina ye tobi. Ma ko se no we can say no. Me tina ye tobi we beto mi ma me na me de koto emo mi di mu wie na bre
na
me te bench ni so a ye me watch ni chire me no se mada
uko
me team ni na
ba ni nyina ko
obi atam ko nti me tie me se bawra na ya afasi what me dem me hu se what the watch ba I don't know no sika ka no mo na mi tua fere
ekofi
eso mama mi busua na mi konya story mi nu at my house say boom na me business ha ade tinye na akonfo ko twa story mi nyina ni
wa bre
so me give up in the life no if you are easily giving in bekachi in rate aso the guy play the first Samuel Yakofo under 17 according to source and she said omo eyi ni kura film
yeah
omo yi ni omo so onya de omo yi ni film na and the determination kikiri omo ko e omo ko under 17 by no Ghana started ko e no won ko yoba Roberts player if you don't is the give in enye bibia wa mabu o start we ye ya mabu
ogu a o sa ayi o dikitu bia no aboto no wajaya de krono
we is high start abraba onko wani no kwase sem na meka chero no onko kra o izielo emo nti wo hwe omo a omo ayi paae omo ya adventures bi omo take risk abrabom do omo man tmedi ubi so omo a omo take risk ena abrabom omo tmi yede
omo tmi
nyese risk say yes twitwi le fa ko kumo bi o say me take risk nti me should go good no ye can and no don't be easily giving in. No. Empaba.
Okay.
Empaba. Na unyangu kwa de. Asante for Bible say o kra wati ase no. Sin. Jijata. Wo. Nti don't be easily giving in.
Yo, Papa, you are home kakra na me twa me ho emra. Papa ebobo no ma bebre so o say don't be easily giving in. It's one of the positive attitude that or they my enumere no emma waba mu obibi a wo ye ho ade bi a wo ye bia wetaso emma o set example my se wutia ugu se ni o bebre o ma obi a o wetaso bi ano nkunimdi na ye den eba aha ye FPN TV obra kwantu na enumere wani gusu a wo hwe me ba chewa se ne no first time what coming across this program and never show I know about modern follow page you know am I Facebook FPN TV follow page and I feel watch a program no so am I for so now about YouTube about FPN TV official when you live ewo hono na wa subscribe na pin so wa share now we do comment so I then aba na ye ka obi so say studio yaje ahoho enti se opese woni emedi djuma se opese obe program wa program ahodo bi a opese obe afin so wo djumadie bi a opese obedi sanso na wo adjuma bi a opese ye bon daru edema maka kire se social media no one of the most important platform with the advertisement and he said the program not so forever and to say off air we are send pan one tier and one no but we will be able to be coming across program be able to and what advert no wo nti ohu nioma wo ye no na eso nani a ntempa mo say I don't know why over 5 months 6 months but yes still udi hu emphasis nti bo modia na fa udwumadi ne ye den ebra niema hu da ro emfa ma ye ni nyina ofre studio la that's na on sabe kan ndwumadi ni nyina and afin so ofre manager 0544367227 0544367227 and so oba ubenya live na afi woni yen edin komo na ne wo bi a manager no ayen hye no na aboa enti bomodi a nafa odwumadie no ebra na unu madika ka che so obra kwantu ene ogusu a wo hwe na wo tie yen mene me papa senya ene enwumre yehia yehwe suban a yedanu adi ewo yen dwumadie ahodo ewo yen brem suban ahodo a yedanu adi whether the positive and the negative ene wakane nyina bomu a woyi ni miako amayen na se wo follow short ewo the positive side you make you boost yourself say obeye no waye ni ye na afi nso say uyo bi a the negative side no hold you on so much affect your life then you make a U-turn on or kind or say adapt, make an adaptability, change yourself and balance things na ebeboa eti baba yenche na yedi ndwumadie no ebe but mepese
akame no bi
okay mepese ode be soso na afi yahwe
ye abrabo a eboyi se opeso boko wanim pa se unya empathy
okay
caring for others
okay no ananka bibi say brofunu mu oduodu a no ntiase
se o pass through what from momo ehia de so ayre ehia no kwasem we yen sa ebo pa okay we there ye bodi na minshira brad you were ready shira na tie enya honhom nenam
okay
ba bia honhom enti me si studio ha me ka say say video na minshira
okay
eye duma honhom na fa say video de ni fi modno okay when we make caring cry na honhom na fa Inti suya yenka say kill yourself
okay
so killing and killing so yes koye na wo no bi enya no asem na yere ana ye kan nemo the little thing that you can do no wo de ye wa from there ne jama urade na bere ebe bo ana die di wie kura as I said, was surrounding yourself with positive people.
Okay. We hear me pa.
So and no dear, hey, you can with me, your body, with my financial discipline, with me, with my page, with me, change everything now, so now with all achievement we now about to find the boss were positive thing now when ya now only woman surrounding you know and you're so positive la oh obey brugu buanwa ona for be say hwete no enti be surrounded by positive people woman dachi wo mani so
okay
ka dachi a woman they look ahead
okay
you go ma we so mo ka say we say we na adwene no ye nen kwa wo form adwene no wo form so ne sa
only today
ana brabon so o pese onya o dachi ye pa sisi ade nye den sisi ade brabon sisi ade nye den no say gidi o sisi e o gidi o sisi e china o go mi sisi e na o mo do concrete say 200 o no do sisi e o do bi ho de na dachi say me bi o say me to be one cement one cement me be ya inti sabra mo de no na so what I say nti say ya no market at least month na bit me bi kakra ba wire odi nti wo bit by we nyina nya na wo nya na papa ara bone a oh ye godi yimpi ngwa ha ye ni say oh
weekends are for fun
na waka che se obi
obi kura bit ma ka che o se nye wan sidi e na de bebe obra
so para pa ka che bi se ni nyina te fa ko na so mi turu fu se o fa ska unya ya na wo se no de ye ma asem ne no mai o se ye ni fira kura se e ba ye
okay
ka se ye ba bo bra ona de wuru kuma se oni obi a wo ko bra ye de
amano
ambrampa ne ye fo ya ye fira kura se ya e ba ya ye de ye bo bra no ambrampa i gusu a ye ye bo ene e mo ye ka che wa o re ba so inti ye sese pe ni nipa papa mo na awie yi ni papa ba awie yi obi di mo akwa ba bo a o hwe na mo papa wo se o de bo wa be de ebe ba mi mo one example say obi ne if I say ye papa despite ne bray o finish upon say okay so na in conjunction mo na ma even paradise omo ono ne manager no ye so we dey na ka shibu okay nti hunde ode mo wono e de ye di beba
okay
enyumre de ye kan
okay
we dey share
papa answer na mema ya wrap it up no na person bisa one particular efa ye ka positive attitudes ya ye bubosu a ye kire kwan na hodo a be fast no be say bisa say ebia what for situation bi one so challenging abrebo no mu wo say situation ya be fa mu de den pa na how did you maintain kwan be so na fa so as a challenge no with me overcoming with this positive attitude
with this positive attitude no and no because you know o question is na the me can say don't be easily giving in
okay
me kai the na me kai akofo bi twam so ani afena na ma store
okay
na at that time no na ma say spending be say 200,000
okay
which is almost the 2 billion
okay
food shop and a workshop na I say all of a sudden me be a 3 months people na ko bi mu wiani na
okay
at that time so afena me man bi so ebewura ss they say ni
almost your capital is
gone because na a new store happen in my gia my decorative come on it's not financially no they never war you know me savings any na me dey wuram I say I'm used to say e dey income mbe ndi o ye na ayede na nkwan school ko nyina na ayede and so na mpaba eno na ndi bi me na ye kan wasem say if you be trust when no credit and so e ka attitude no good that nti omo amegiji no mo o ti ya so ene bagi we ya na o dis skaraba we si bagi we ene skaraba me dis me di yeso me trust when we say to ai go out do na no was said e we say wo kele vision kra
na ke say papa me tiwa ha the solution to that problem no most ni gina trustworthy kra na wudie e wo wona profile awje no wholesalers in term okay
and no there so especially so you business person there one weapon so we trustworthy
okay
and no there when you know my plan they be away no matter
okay
we trustworthy o ton o ma o bia 10,000 also 1 week time when you need na kura na o ko tuam e bia ma no o chidi o chibi ma o cha de bere o de be ma do this na fi there by the grace o sha fi na wa kuta o capital na wa unya trust we dia
okay
ene macha usika no modu kura na be do be wa ha ko kopem
okay yo papa me da se anwumre wabi ya ni bebre ama yehunu yen suban bi a was ye denedi ene ne ya was putting it off kra na asetena ene abraba aye bono no matimi ayeden akoyie amaye odofo kakra me de kan papa dia odi ba be wie o ma ehun say be resilient men men give it up easily men give it up easily and owie no or wrap up kra no say be trustworthy until positive attitudes and our attitude are better than we do no if you are trustworthy a time will come ebia no be nkoyi e beba form but because obi timi trust unti obi timi di bibia hye wonsa ene obi wonum o escapa but ene on be so obi bi adwuma ni nyina ne se obi adwuma onye obi a ma ne nyeden enye se adwuma ne nyeden e ma no because o de hye nensa oni gidie woni panimu at the end of the day nipa no be den ebi wia no ena kan mu se uria nipa no de akọ make you life no oso be kwa bi adwuma ubi a de odi ye obi no the same attitude now you see to rob somebody no somebody will also use the same attitude to come and rob you
ebi a wo de kwa be
worse because sana etie nti abrabo no kama e wo ho sanso no nyame akatua wo ho no nti hunam fam se wan hwe yi a something will happen you will not like it nti develop positive attitude be positive always we nipa who are flair but make sure say you will stand on the positive ones and build yourself and as time goes on go say ubetimi edi negative no so na aboama wasetena ne wabraba a wo bono nyoma atimi akoyie ama wo yo yedi eba wiye kura no menkenkan adwenkyere kakra bi a ahefo no de ababe group no so amayen amaskapa so or share in life so good evening, God bless you watching your life papa so also eji also Arise Nation so share from Atonsu and also wonderful we and also Eka said be self resilient yo now Rosalind 99 also or share and or say this is a seminar and wasere aka fancy and so say also the nchia empa yeda mu nyina ase bomodia na share dwumadie no so ema afoforo na afei subscribe to yen channels ahodo a ewo social media platforms whether Facebook, YouTube, TikTok, IG oko honoma o de obo FPN TV official obekan o sabekan wo dwumadi a yedi nyina abrena bia dwumadi bia ekoso your brakwan to Saturdays, Sundays eya hintasem, Mondays ubenya masem ni, Tuesdays mafutu sem, fervent eba so Wednesday, Thursdays eye tete atempon and a Friday sanso na Friday so kanwaware ehye nti wu se dwumadi ayedi nyina ne kata across ye na brabo ye na setena nti odofo menyi wafidie no free sanso na bomodi anda subscribe ubenya nyoma pa afri FPN TV sanso so ene de adichemu nsem ede brewo nyoma ACCA oba sports chese across the globe nyoma ekosu nyina eno so ya de brewo FPN TV haso eti bomodi anda subscribe na follow page no MIN papa ye wrap it up no me pese say adofo bi na obechia wo mo a
na me konye so achia Central Women Ministry no
okay
leaders now and like executives no I'm the wife down
okay
Mrs. Sata and I am me Nigeria ne my Miss Kapa
okay
Chomina and Etiofina Chobia
yan papa a wote kan Deacon Stephen Senior or Church of Pentecost onye ni paketu akra sanso so na me a na medi no chia me ane se Gideon obufu na oche miska meje that's ene ye behia ɛwɔ FPN TV ɛso ɔdɔfoɔ hwɛ ho yie nisan sɛ ewiase ayɛ beja sɛ de yɛ kan no sa positive attitude no one develop ya obeto esan ne amanie mu ti bomoden na hwɛ ho so yie ɛma yɛ dɔ na emum yɛ taaka sɛ ne ɔdɔ pa ɛne onyankopɔn a ɔwɔ soro nti fo wani